here we are. We're at Anniversary Inn in Boise, Idaho. And I actually got a gift card for Sean for something. It's probably Christmas. Oh, you know what? It might have been his birthday. So I just wanted to do a little video and show you guys our room. The fireplace. Jacuzzi tub. We're gonna get some Outback for dinner here in a little bit. Oop, I'm stepping up. Got a bottle of Martinelli's. So pretty. Look at the walls. Let's see what this does. I'm sure it's for the light. A little bit dated here. A little fridge.